Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Marhaba. Assalamu alaikum. Ana Cynthia Samson में कनाती मैन अल अरबियती अल अखबारियती. Welcome everybody. This is Cynthia Samson from Mayan Arab News Channel. So today we are going to start the new lesson from Quran, that is Al Anam. So sanakumul yawma bi dirasati darsan jadidan min al Quran nil qaribi min al ayati wahid ila tisa wa khamsun. So let's start. A'udhu billahi minash shaitan rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. So we'll start the new lesson. First verse will be from 1 to 8. Al-Anam, or it means in English a cattle, in the name of Allah. So first we will study in Arabic language, then the translation will be done in English language. Slowly I will speak. So let's start. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahillazi khalaqa samawati wal arda wa ja'ala zulumati wan nur. ثم الذين كفروا بربهم يعدلون هو الذي خلقكم من طين ثم قضى أجلا وأجل مسمى عنده ثم أنتم تمترون وهو الله في السماوات وفي الأرض يعلم سركم وجهركم ويعلم ما تكسبون وَمَا تَأْتِيهِمْ مِنْ آيَاتٍ مِنْ آيَاتِ رَبِّهِمْ إِلَّا كَانُوا عَنْهَا مُعْرِضِينَ فَقَدْ كَذَّبُوا بِالْحَقِّ لَمَّا جَاءَهُمْ فَسَوْفَ يَأْتِيهِمْ أَنْبَاءُ مَا كَانُوا بِهِ يَسْتَهْزِئُونَ أَلَمْ يَرَوْا كَمْ أَهْلَكْنَا مِنْ قَبْلِهِمْ مِنْ قَرْنٍ مَكَّنَّاهُمْ فِي الْأَرْضِ مَا لَمْ نُمَكِّنْ لَكُمْ وَأَرْسَلْنَا السَّمَاءَ عَلَيْهِمْ مِدْرَارًا وَجَعَلْنَا الْأَنْهَارَ تَجْرِي مِنْ تَحْتِهِمْ فَأَهْلَكْنَاهُمْ بِذُنُوبِهِمْ وَأَنشَأْنَا مِنْ بَعْدِهِمْ قَرْنًا آخَرِينَ وَلَوْ نَزَّلْنَا عَلَيْكَ كِتَابًا فِي قِرْطَاسٍ فَلَمَسَوهُ بِأَيْدِيهِمْ لَقَالَ الَّذِينَ كَفَرُوا إِنْ هَذَا إِلَّا سِحْرٌ مُبِينٌ وَقَالُوا لَوْلَا أُنْزِلَ عَلَيْهِ مَلَكٌ وَلَوْ أَنزَلْنَا مَلَكًا لَقُضِيَ الْأَمْرُ ثُمَّ لَا يُنْظَرُونَ. So what does it mean in English? Anam, or cattle, in the name of Allah, most gracious, most merciful. Praise be to Allah who created the heavens and the earth and made the darkness and the light. Yet those who reject faith hold others as equal with their guardian Lord. He it is who created you from clay and then decreed a stated term for you. And there is in his presence another determined term. Yet ye doubt within yourselves. And yea, he is Allah in the heavens and on the earth. He knoweth what ye hide and what ye reveal, and he knoweth the recompense which ye earn by your deeds. But never did a single one of the signs of their Lord reach them, but they turned away therefrom. And now they reject the truth when it reaches them. But soon shall they learn the reality of what they used to mock at. See they not how many of those before them we did destroy? Generations we had established on the earth in strength such as we have not given to you, for whom we poured out rain from the skies in abundance and gave fertile streams flowing beneath their feet. Yet for their sins we destroyed them and raised in their wake fresh generations to succeed them. If we had sent unto thee a written message on parchment, so that they could touch it with their hands, the unbelievers would have been sure to say, "This is nothing but obvious magic." They say, "Why is not an angel sent down to him?" If we did send down an angel, the matter would be settled at once, and no respite would be granted them. Now next verse comes, that is from 9 to 18. وَلَوْ جَعَلْنَهُ مَلَكًا لَجَعَلْنَهُ رَجُلًا وَلَلَبَسْنَا عَلَيْهِمْ مَا يَلْبِسُونَ وَلَقَدْ اسْتُهْزِئَ بِرُسُلٍ مِّن قَبْلِكَ فَحَقَّ بِالَّذِينَ سَخِرُوا مِنْهُم مَّا كَانُوا بِهِ يَسْتَهْزِئُونَ قُلْ سِيرُوا فِي الْأَرْضِ ثُمَّ انظُرُوا كَيْفَ كَانَ عَاقِبَةُ الْمُكَذِّبِينَ قُلْ لِمَنْ فِي السَّمَاوَاتِ وَالْأَرْضِ قُلْ لِلَّهِ كَتَبَ عَلَى نَفْسِهِ الرَّحْمَةَ لَا يَجْمَعَنَّكُمْ إِلَى يَوْمِ الْقِيَامَةِ لَا رَيْبَ فِيهِ أَنَّ الَّذِينَ خَسِرُوا أَنفُسَهُمْ فَهُمْ لَا يُؤْمِنُونَ وَلَهُ مَا سَكَنَ فِي اللَّيْلِ وَالنَّهَارِ وَهُوَ السَّمِيعُ الْعَلِيمُ قُلْ أَغَيْرَ اللَّهِ أَتَّخِذُ وَلِيًّا فَاطِرِ السَّمَاوَاتِ وَالْأَرْضِ وَهُوَ يُطْعِمُ وَلَا يُطْعَمُ قُلْ إِنِّي أُمِرْتُ أَنْ أَكُونَ أَوَّلَ مَنْ أَسْلَمَ وَلَا تَكُونَنَّ مِنَ الْمُشْرِكِينَ قُلْ إِنِّي أَخَافُ إِنْ عَصَيْتُ رَبِّي عَذَابَ يَوْمٍ عَظِيمٍ مَنِ يُصْرَفْ عَنْهُ يَوْمَئِذٍ فَقَدْ رَحِمَهُ وَذَلِكَ الْفَوْزُ الْمُبِينُ وَإِنْ يَمْسَسْكَ اللَّهُ بِضُرٍّ فَلَا كَاشِفَ لَهُ إِلَّا هُوَ وَإِنْ يَمْسَسْكَ بِخَيْرٍ فَهُوَ عَلَى كُلِّ شَيْءٍ قَدِيرٌ وَهُوَ الْقَاهِرُ فَوْقَ عِبَادِهِ وَهُوَ الْحَكِيمُ الْخَبِيرُ. So what does it mean in English? If we had made it an angel, we should have sent him as a man, and we should certainly have caused them confusion in a matter which they have already covered with confusion. Mocked were many apostles before thee, but their scoffers were hemmed in by the thing that they mocked. Say, travel through the earth and see what was the end of those who rejected truth. Say, to whom belongeth all that it is in the heavens and on earth. Say, to Allah he hath inscribed for himself the rule of mercy, that he will gather you together for the day of judgment. There is no doubt whatever. It is they who have lost their own souls that will not believe. To him belongeth all that dwelleth or lurketh in the night and the day. For he is the one who heareth and knoweth all things. Say, shall I take for my protector any other than Allah, the maker of the heavens and the earth? And he it is that feedeth, but it is not fed. Say, nay, but I am commanded to be the first of those who bow to Allah in Islam, and be not thou of the company of those who join gods with Allah. Say, I would, if I disobeyed my Lord, indeed have fear of the penalty of a mighty day. On that day, if the penalty is averted from any, it is due to Allah's mercy, and that would be salvation, the obvious fulfillment of all desire. If Allah touch thee with affliction, none can remove it but He. if he touched thee with happiness, he had power over all things. He is the irresistible, watching from above over his worshippers, and he is the wise, acquainted with all things. Okay, now next verse comes. That is from 19 to 27. Okay. Kul ayyu shay'in akbaru shahadaha kulillaha shahidum baini wa bainakum wa awhiya ilayya hazal Qur'an li unzirakum bihi wa man balag a innakum latash hadawna anna ma lahi alihatan ukhra kul la ashhad kul innama huwa ilahun wahidun wa innani bari'um mimma tushrikaun Allah lazina atayna humul kitaba ya rifawna haw kama ya rafawna abna'ahum Allah lazina khasiraw anfusahum fahum la yu'minun wa man azlamu mim mani fatrara alallahi kaziban aw kazaba bi ayatihi innahu la yufli huzallimon wa yawma nashuruhum jami'an thumma naqawlu lillazina ashrakaw aina shurakaukumul lazina kuntum tas'umun thumma lam takun fitnatuhum illa an qalaw wallahi rabbina ma kunna mushrikin unzur kaifa kazabu ala anfusihim wa dalla anhum ma kanaw yaftarun wa minhum mani yastami'u ilayk wa ja'alna ala qulubihim akinatan anay yafqahu wa fi azinihim waqra wa inay yaraw kula aitil la yu'minu biha hatta iza ja'uka yujadilunaka yaqulul lazina kafaru in haza illa asatirul awwalin wa hum yanhauna anhu wa yan'auna anha wa in yuhlikuna illa in anfusahum wa ma yash'urun wa law tara iz wuqifu ala nari faqallaw ya laitana nuraddu wa la nukaziba bi ayati rabbina wa nakuna minal mu'minin. So what does it mean in English? Say what thing is most weighty in evidence. Say Allah is witness between me and you. This Quran hath been revealed to me by inspiration, but that I may warn you and all whom it reaches. Can ye possibly bear witness that besides Allah there is another God? Say, I cannot bear witness. Say, but in the truth he is the one God, and I truly am innocent of your blasphemy of joining others with him. Those to whom we have given the book know this as they know their own sons. Those who have lost their own souls refuse therefore to believe. Who doth more wrong than he who inventeth a lie against Allah or rejected his signs? But verily the wrongdoers never shall prosper. One day shall we gather them all together. We shall say to those who ascribe partners to us, where are the partners whom ye invented and talked about? There will then be left no subterfuge for them but to say, by Allah our Lord, we were not those who joined gods with Allah. Behold how they lie against their own souls. But the lie which they invented will leave them in the lurch. Of them there are some who pretend to listen to thee. But we have thrown veils on their hearts so they understand it is not, and deafness in their ears. If they saw every one of the signs, not they will believe in them, in so much that when they come to thee, they but dispute with thee. The unbelievers say, these are nothing but tales of the ancients. Others they keep away from it, and themselves they keep away, but they only destroy their own souls, and they perceive it not. If thou couldest but see when they are confronted with the fire, they will say, would that we were but sent back? Then would we not reject the signs of our Lord, but would be amongst those who believe. Now next verse comes, that is from 28 to 35. بل بدا لهم ما كانوا يخفون من قبل ولو ردوا لأدوا لما نهوا عنه وإنهم لكاذبون وقالوا إن هي إلا حياتنا الدنيا وما نحن بمبعوثين ولو ترى إذ وقفوا على ربهم قال أليس هذا بالحق قالوا بلى وربنا قال فذوقوا العذاب بما كنتم تكفرون قد خسر الذين كذبوا بلقاء الله حتى إذا جاءتهم الساعة بغتة قالوا يا حسرتنا على ما فرطنا فيها وهم يحملون أوزارهم على ظهورهم ألا ساء ما يزرون وما الحياة الدنيا إلا لعب ولهو وللدار الآخرة خير للذين يتقون أفلا تعقلون قد نعلم إنه ليحزنك الذي يقولون فإنهم لا يكذبونك ولكن الظالمين بآيات الله يجحدون ولقد كذبت رسل من قبلك فصبروا على ما كذبوا وأوذوا حتى أتاهم نصرنا ولا مبدل لكلمات الله ولقد جاءك من نبأ المرسلين وإن كان كبر عليك إرادتهم فإن استطعت أن تبتغي نفقا في الأرض أو سلاما في السماء فتأتيهم بآية ولو شاء الله لجمعهم على الهدى فلا تكونن من الجاهلين. So what does it mean in English? Yea, in their own eyes will become manifest what before they concealed. But if they were returned, they would certainly relapse to the things they were forbidden. For they are indeed liars, and they sometimes say, there is nothing except our life on this earth, and never shall we be raised up again. If thou couldst but see, when they are confronted with their Lord, he will say, is not this the truth? They will say, yea, by our Lord. He will say, taste ye then the penalty, because ye rejected faith. Lost indeed are they who treat it as a falsehood, that they must meet Allah, until on a sudden the hour is on them, and they say, "Ah, woe unto us that we took no thought of it." For they bear their burdens on their backs, and evil indeed are the burdens that they bear. What is the life of this world but play and amusement? But best is the home in the hereafter. For those who are righteous, will ye not then understand? We know indeed the grief which their words do cause thee. It is not thee they reject, it is the signs of Allah, which the wicked contemn. Rejected were the apostles before thee with patience and constancy. They bore their rejection and their wrongs. Until our aid did reach them, there is none that can alter the words and decrees of Allah. Already hast thou received some account of those apostles. If their spurning is hard on thy mind, yet if thou wert able to seek a tunnel in the ground or a ladder to the skies, and bring them a sign, what good? If it were Allah's will, He could gather them together unto the true guidance. So be not thou amongst those who are swayed by ignorance and impatience. Now next verse comes, that is from 36 to 44. Innama yastaji bullazina yasma'un wal mauta yab'athu humullahu thumma ilayhi yurja'un wa qalau laula nuzila alayhi ayatum min rabbihi Kul inna allaha qadirun alla an yunazila ayatan wa lakina aktharahum la ya'lamun wa ma min dabbatin fil ardi wa la ta'irin nayatiru bi janahihi illa umamun amtha lakum ma faratna fil kitabi min shaytuma illa rabbihim yuhsharun walla lazina kazabaw bi ayatina sumun wa buk munfizul lummat mane yasha illahu yudlillahu wa mani yasha yaj'aluhu ala siratim mustaqim Kul ara ayatakum in atakum azabullahi aw atatkumus sa'atu a ghayrallahi tad'awna in kuntum sadiqin bal iyahu tad'awna fayakshifu ma tad'awna ilayhi insha wa tansawna ma walaqad arsalna ila umamin min qablika fa akhaznahum bil basai wad dara illa allahum yatadara'un falawla is ja'ahum ba sunnah tadara aw walakin kasat qulubuhum wa zayyana lahum shaytanu ma kanu ya'malun falamma nasaw ma zukiraw bihi fatahna alayhim abwaba kulli shay'in hatta iza farihu bima awtaw akhaznahum baghtatan fa iza hum mublisun. So what does it mean in English? Those who listen in truth, be sure, will accept as to the dead. Allah will raise them up, then will they be turned unto Him. They say, why is not a sign sent down to him from his Lord? Say, Allah hath certainly power to send down a sign, but most of them understand not. There is not an animal that lives on the earth, nor a being that flies on its wings, but forms part of communities like you. Nothing have we omitted from the book, and they all shall be gathered to their Lord in the end. Those who reject our signs are deaf and dumb in the midst of darkness profound, whom Allah willeth. He leaveth to wander, whom He willeth. He placeth on the way that is straight. Say, think ye to yourselves, if there come upon you the wrath of Allah, or the hour that ye dread, would ye then call upon other than Allah? Reply, if ye are truthful, nay, on Him would ye call, and if it be His will, He would remove the distress which occasioned your call upon Him, and ye would forget the false gods which ye rejoined with Him. Before thee we sent apostles to many nations, and we afflicted the nations with suffering and adversity, that they might learn humility. When the suffering reached them from us, why then did they not learn humility? On the contrary, their hearts became hardened, and Satan made their sinful acts seem alluring to them. But when they forgot the warning they had received, we opened to them the gates of all good things, until in the midst of their enjoyment of our gifts, on a sudden, we called them to account when, lo, they were plunged in despair. Now next verse comes, that is from 45 to 52. فَقُطِعَ دَبِيرُ الْقَوْمِ الَّذِينَ ظَلَمُوا وَالْحَمْدُ لِلَّهِ رَبِّ الْعَالَمِينَ قُلْ أَرَأَيْتُمْ إِنْ أَخَذَ اللَّهُ سَمْعَكُمْ وَأَبْصَارَكُمْ وَخَتَمَ عَلَى قُلُوبِكُمْ مَنْ إِلَٰهٌ غَيْرُ اللَّهِ يَأْتِيكُمْ بِهِ انظُرْ كَيْفَ نُصَرِّفُ الْآيَاتِ ثُمَّ هُمْ يصدفون قل أرأيتكم إن أتاكم عذاب الله بغتة أو جهرة هل يهلك إلا القوم الظالمون وما نرسل المرسلين إلا مبشرين ومنذرين فمن آمن وأصلح فلا خوف عليهم ولا هم يحزنون والذين كذبوا بآياتنا يمسهم العذاب بما كانوا يفسقون قل لا أقول لكم عندي خزائن الله ولا أعلم الغيب ولا أقول لكم إني ملك إن أتبع إلا ما يوحى إلي قل هل يستوي الأعمى والبصير أفلا تتفكرون وأنذر به الذين يخافون أن يحشروا إلى ربهم ليس لهم من دونه ولي ولا شفيع لعلهم يتقون ولا تطرد الذين يدعون ربهم بالغداة والعشي يريدون وجهه ما عليك من حسابهم من شيء وما من حسابك عليهم من شيء فتطردهم فتكون من الظالمين. So what does it mean in English? Of the wrongdoers, the last remnant was cut off. Praise be to Allah, the cherisher of the world. Say, think ye, if Allah took away your hearing and your sight and sealed up your hearts, who a God other than Allah could restore them to you? See how we explain the signs by various symbols, yet they turn aside. Say, think ye, if the punishment of Allah comes to you, whether suddenly or openly, will any be destroyed except those who do wrong? We send the apostles only to give good news and to warn, so those who believe and mend their lives upon them shall be no fear, nor shall they grieve. But those who reject our signs, them shall punishment touch, for that they ceased not from transgressing. Say, I tell you not, that with me are the treasures of Allah, nor do I know what is hidden, nor do I tell you I am an angel. I but follow what is revealed to me. Say, can the blind be held equal to the sea? Will ye then consider not? Give this warning to those in whose hearts is the fear that they will be brought to judgment before their Lord. Except for him they will have no protector nor intercessor, that they may guard against evil. Send not away those who call on their Lord morning and evening, seeking his face. In naught art thou accountable for them, and in naught are they accountable for thee, that thou shouldest turn them away, and thus be one of the unjust. Now next verse comes. We are about to finish, that is today 53 to 59. Then afterwards we will just wrap up. وَكَذَلِكَ فَتْنَا بَعْضَهُمْ بِبَعْضٍ لِيَقُولُوا أَهَؤُلَاءِ مَنَّ اللَّهُ عَلَيْهِمْ مِنْ بَيْنِنَا أَلَيْسَ اللَّهُ بِأَعْلَمَ بِالشَّاكِرِينَ وَإِذَا جَاءَكَ الَّذِينَ يُؤْمِنُونَ بِآيَاتِنَا فَقُلْ سَلَامٌ عَلَيْكُمْ كَتَبَ رَبُّكُمْ عَلَى نَفْسِهِ الرَّحْمَةَ أَنَّهُ مَنْ عَمِلَ مِنْكُمْ سُوءًا بِجَهَالَةٍ ثُمَّ تَابَ مِنْ بَعْدِهِ وَأَصْلَحَ فَإِنَّهُ غَفُورٌ رَحِيمٌ وَكَذَلِكَ نُفَصِّلُ الْآيَاتِ وَلِتَسْتَبِينَ سَبِيلُ الْمُجْرِمِينَ قُلْ إِنِّي نُهِيتُ أَنْ أَعْبُدَ الَّذِينَ تَدْعُونَ مِنْ دُونِ اللَّهِ قُلْ لَا أَتَّبِعُ أَهْوَاءَكُمْ قَدْ ضَلَلْتُ إِذًا وَمَا أَنَا مِنَ الْمُهْتَدِينَ قُلْ إِنِّي عَلَى بَيِّنَةٍ مِنْ رَبِّي وَكَذَّبْتُمْ بِهِ مَا عِنْدِي مَا تَسْتَعْجِلُونَ بِهِ إِنِ الْحُكْمُ إِلَّا لِلَّهِ يَقُصُّ الْحَقَّ وَهُوَ خَيْرُ الْفَاصِلِينَ قُلْ لَوْ أَنَّ عِنْدِي مَا تَسْتَعْجِلُونَ بِهِ لَقُضِيَ الْأَمْرُ بَيْنِي وَبَيْنَكُمْ وَاللَّهُ أَعْلَمُ بِالظَّالِمِينَ وَعِندَهُ مَفَاتِحُ الْغَيْبِ لَا يَعْلَمُهَا إِلَّا هُوَ وَيَعْلَمُ مَا فِي الْبَرِّ وَالْبَحْرِ وَمَا تَسْقُطُ مِنْ وَرَقَةٍ إِلَّا يَعْلَمُهَا وَلَا حَبَّةٍ فِي ظُلُمَاتِ الْأَرْضِ وَلَا رَطْبٍ وَلَا يَابِسٍ إِلَّا فِي كِتَابٍ مُبِينٍ. So what does it mean in English? Thus did we try some of them by comparison with others, that they should say, is it these then that Allah hath favored from amongst us? Doth not Allah know best those who are grateful? When those come to thee who believe in our signs, say, peace be on you. Your Lord hath inscribed for himself the rule of mercy. Verily, if any of you did evil in ignorance, and thereafter repented and amended his conduct too, he is of forgiving, most merciful. Thus do we explain the signs in detail, that the way of the sinners may be shown up. Say, I am forbidden to worship those others than Allah whom ye call upon. Say, I will not follow your way desires if I do. I would stray from the path and be not of the company of those who receive guidance. Say, for me, I work on a clear sign from my Lord, but ye reject him. What ye would see hastened is not in my power. The command rests with none but Allah. He declares the truth, and he is the best of the judges. Say, if what ye would see hastened were in my power, the matter would be settled at once between you and me. But Allah knoweth best those who do wrong. With him are the keys of unseen, the treasures that none knoweth but he. He knoweth whatever there is on the earth and in the sea. Not a leaf doth fall, but with his knowledge there is not a grain in the darkness or depths of the earth, nor anything fresh or dry, green or withered, but is inscribed in a record clear to those who can read. So, Hada kullu shay'in lihada liyawmi. So that's all for the day. كانت هذه سنتيا سامسون من قناة مان العربية الأخبارية. أشترك في قناتنا للأخبارية في العربية والهندية والإنجليزية. شكرا. So this was Cynthia Samson from Mayan Arab News Channel. Subscribe to my news channel for latest news updates in Hindi, English and Arabic language. Thank you. Shukran. Khuda Hafiz.